If you and your spouse don't make love regularly, this is what happens. Number one, you stop feeling like partners and start feeling like roommates. When closeness disappears, you begin living like two adults, sharing responsibilities instead of two lovers sharing a life. Conversations turn into updates. Touch becomes rare. You sleep beside each other, yet feel emotionally alone. You stop planning sweet things for each other because the energy between you is no longer warm. Instead of building a life together, you start just managing a household. The shift is subtle but powerful. Without intimacy, partnership becomes routine, not connection. Number two, your confidence drops because you don't feel desired anymore. When your spouse no longer reaches for you, it affects the way you see yourself. You start wondering if you are still attractive or if something is wrong with you. You question your body, your relevance, and even your worth in the relationship. That quiet insecurity changes the way you act. You withdraw emotionally because you fear being rejected again. Confidence slowly fades out of the relationship because feeling wanted is part of feeling loved. Number three, you start arguing over little things. Intimacy acts like emotional glue. Without it, everything becomes sensitive. A delayed reply becomes disrespect. A forgotten chore becomes a personal attack. A simple tone of voice feels irritating. Instead of giving each other grace, you give each other attitude. The love that used to soften disagreements is no longer strong enough to calm them. So you clash over small things because distance has replaced warmth. Number four, you stop being soft with each other. When couples stop making time to be close, the gentle side of the relationship disappears. You stop using affectionate names. You stop touching each other lightly in passing. You stop looking at each other with admiration. The relationship becomes serious, heavy, and dry. You communicate like colleagues handling tasks, not lovers nurturing connection. Softness cannot survive long when intimacy fades. It dries up with it. Number five, someone may start seeking attention elsewhere. When one partner feels invisible at home, outside attention starts feeling louder. A simple compliment suddenly becomes meaningful. A casual conversation feels refreshing. You're not necessarily looking for trouble. You're craving the feeling of being wanted again. When the emotional and physical connection isn't nurtured inside the relationship, temptation comes from places it shouldn't. This doesn't start with disloyalty. It starts with neglect. Number six, you disconnect from each other's feelings. Physical closeness is tied to emotional understanding. When it disappears, you stop reading each other's moods, tone, or needs. You no longer notice when your partner is hurting. You stop checking in. You stop caring the same way. The emotional bridge between you becomes weak because closeness is what strengthens empathy. Without it, you start misunderstanding each other more often than you understand each other. Number seven, the relationship becomes a dry partnership instead of a loving union. A marriage without intimacy becomes a structure, not a bond. You handle responsibilities but not each other. You stay together but stop enjoying each other. Everything becomes predictable, flat, and mechanical. The spark goes. The excitement goes. The closeness that makes marriage feel alive slowly fades until you become two people functioning together instead of two hearts choosing each other daily. The truth is, closeness isn't just physical. It is the heartbeat of partnership. When couples protect it, they protect their bond. If you value your marriage, nurture your connection before silence, distance, and emptiness take what love once built.